About partial dependency. Now, what are the dependency we have seen? Let's count it out. We have seen full functional dependency, right? We have seen trivial functional dependency, right? What is full functional dependency? So, in the full functional dependency, the determinant part cannot be reduced further. It means the determinant is minimal. It means the left hand side part of the dependency is should not be reduced further. That dependency is called full functional dependency. What is trivial functional dependency? If we have a dependency x determine y, so y should be the subset of x, or y should belong to x. Getting it? Then we can say x determine y is a trivial functional dependency. After that, we have a concept of partial dependency. What do you mean by partial dependency? Now, it says that if any proper subset of key determines any of the non-key attribute, then there exists a partial functional dependency. Any proper subset of key means the part of the key. If the part of the key is determining any non-key, then there exists the partial functional dependency. Do you get it? I'll again repeat it. It says that if part of the key, so for first of all, we have a relation, we have the functional dependency, we have to find out the candidate key. After finding out the candidate key, means let's say we have one candidate key, it is okay, we got the primary key. If we have more than one at candidate key, so we have to choose which one will become the primary key for the table. Now, after choosing the primary key, we have to apply this particular definition. It says that part of the key or the proper subset of the key is determining some non-key attribute. Non-key means non-prime attribute. Then that particular functional dependency is called partial functional dependency. Let's see in this example, can we get any partial functional dependency here? So what is the key? Key is AB. Done. AB is the key. Now proper subset of AB. What is the proper subset of AB? It may be A or it may be B. If A alone determining some non-key or B alone is determining some non-key, then that particular functional dependency is called partial functional dependency. Now, in this case, if AB is the key, A individually determining anything, let's see. Yes, it is determining D and E. Can we say D and E is the non-key attribute? Yes, D and E is the non-key attribute because we have just find out that AB is the key attribute, means AB is the prime attribute and rest of these are non-prime attribute, means they are not the key. So A determined DE is partial functional dependency. So we got one partial functional dependency. Do we have any other partial functional dependency? Can we say B is determining anything? Yes, it is also determining anything. And what is that? Is F. F is a non-key? Yes, it is a non-key. So we have another functional dependency, which is a partial functional dependency. Can we have any other dependency? No, because F is a non-key, D is also non-key, and AB is the key, is not a part of key. AB is the key. Then here these two at functional dependency is partial functional dependency. Part of the key is determining some non-key, which is written here. Proper subset of the key is determining the non-key attribute, then there exists the partial functional dependency. So I think you understood, right?